Hi everybody, I'm Jane.
And Mike.
From Earth Care Farm. And we're here, it's June 9th, we're standing in our garlic field, and we've had a lot of questions this week about garlic, so we thought we'd talk about it a little bit. This is our garlic that now 20 years ago, we've been saving seed. I bought the seed in 1999, and every fall we plant the garlic from the best cloves that we keep. And this time of year is when we start to cut the scapes off. This is the scape I'm going to show you on this plant. We have the stalk here, and then this little scape starts to form. This would turn into a flower, and what would happen is the plant is redirecting its energy into making a big, beautiful clove bulb that you want into making a flower. So it's helpful to cut that off so that energy can just flow back into here and form a nice big garlic bulb. So I'm just going to go through this whole thing and cut these off, but we're not going to do that right now. But I want to talk about these too. These are little known, and they should be known more often because they're delicious. It's just a very mild, garlicky flavor that you can either snip right into your dishes to cook, saute with, or when they're this size, I like to just throw them in the saute pan with a little bit of olive oil and salt, and they taste almost like a garlicky green bean. So good, and it's a fleeting, delicious treat that I think more people should know about. So don't waste them, eat them. We have a lot to eat here, and a lot of you bought our garlic bulbs, cloves last year and are experiencing this. I'm getting questions about they're yellowing at the tips, what should I do? That's actually just a natural process. They're going to become more and more yellow as more of this photosynthesizing leaf goes into making that nutritious garlic bulb. So watch for that. When this gets to be a third of the way yellow down to here, that's when it's time to harvest. So keep an eye out for that. But we'll keep you updated as we go. But yeah, June 9th, all you gotta do is snip these off. Anything you want to add about garlic in the 20 years you've been working with this?
Well, with these garlic plants, in my opinion, plants don't have a sense of self. They're one with the soil. And why this field is so beautiful is because of the good soil. I can't overemphasize that the better your soil, the more compost you add to your soil, the healthier your plants are going to be. And if you see this field, by not tilling it, we're not bringing up weed seed. So it gets easier as time goes on when you have good soil and you mulch to protect the soil. To me, it's all about the soil, and the plants then take care of themselves. And
if we're just always thinking about the soil and thinking, I love this way of thinking like a microbe. You know, what do the microbes need in order to feed our plants? And so that's what we're working towards. It's only been 3 years since we stopped tilling, and we'll never look back. It's been great to have these raised beds that we just never till. So I think that's everything. We'll keep you guys updated every week. Thanks.
Thank you.